Hello friends, this is Hatim Rampurwala, and in this video we would be discussing the case study based on the concept of behavioral aspect in budgetary control system. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's start the case study. It's frustrating working with Daniel. He is very dominant and expect everything to be done his way. So what it is like, Daniel expects that everything to be done in his way. He has done more and better work to get up to the budget. Not here. We have done more and better work to get up to budget and to get up to the budget, and minute we make it, he tightens the budget on us. So the time they achieve the budget, Daniel again change the budget and tightens the budget, harden in the sense, tighten the budget. Okay, so we cannot work any faster and still maintain the quality. We cannot work any faster and still maintain, they are still maintaining the quality. We always seems to be interrupting the big jobs for all those small rush orders. The accountants seem to know everything that happening in my department. Sometimes even before I do. I thought all I thought all that budgets and the accounting stuff was supposed to help, but it just get me into trouble. I am trying to put my quality work. They are trying to save money. See, the employees are trying to put the quality work, but at the same time, management is trying to save the money. This is a dead end job. I cannot see much of the future here, said Mr. Singh, manager of the machine said Mr. Singh, manager of the machine shop of the Global Manufacturing Limited, a UK-based company. Mr. Singh had just attended a monthly performance evaluation meeting for the plant department heads. These meetings had been held on the third Friday of each of the month. Since Mr. Daniel MBA from the Manchester University had joined the Indian operation a year earlier, Mr. Singh had just been given the worst evaluation he had ever received in his long career with the Global Manufacturing Limited. He was the most respected of the experienced machinist in the company. Old plant manager had often stated that the company's success was due to the high quality of the work of machinists like Mr. Singh. He had been with the Global Manufacturing Limited for many years and was promoted to the superior and was promoted to the supervisor of the machine shop, and he was promoted to supervisor of the machine shop when the company expand and moved to its present location as superior. Mr. Singh stressed the importance of craftsmanship and told his worker that he wanted no careless work coming from his department. Mr. Daniel became the plant manager. He directed that the monthly performance comparison be made between the actual and the budgeted for each department. The departmental budgets were intended to encourage the supervisor to reduce inefficiency and to seek cost reduction opportunity. So this monthly budget would help the department supervisor to increase their efficiency, reducing of their cost, reducing inefficiencies, and seeking cost reduction opportunity. The company controller was instructed See, the company controller was instructed to have his staff tighten and the budget slightly whenever a department attains a budget in a given month. So it has been informed, company controller has been informed that whenever the budget is on the verge of achievement, they should tighten the budget. This was done to reinforce the plant supervisor desire to reduce cost. This was basically done at the end from the company point of view, in order to reduce the cost. Okay, Mr. Daniel often stressed the importance of continuous progress towards attaining the budget. He also made it known that he kept the file for these performance report for the future reference. Identify the problem which appear to exist in the budgetary control and explain how the budgetary control system could be revised to improve the effectiveness. So what is the problem and how it could be revised to improve the efficiency? So Okay, solution. Budgetary control system appears to have several very important shortcomings, which reduces its effectiveness and may in fact cause it to interfere with a good performance. So it has very important shortcomings. So the budgetary control system appears to not be very sound, but it has very important shortcomings which reduces its efficiency. So it is such that it is reducing the efficiency at the end, and may in fact cause it to interfere with the good performance. Some of the shortcomings are explained below. Lack of the coordinated goals. Mr. Singh had been led to believe that the high quality output is the goal. It now appears that the low cost is the goal. See, earlier the department managers had been communicated to the Mr. Singh that the high quality of output is the goal. So Mr. Singh was working towards that, but at the end it is now appearing that the low cost is the goal. They are trying again and again to reduce cost. So low cost is the goal. He does not know what the goal are, and thus cannot make the decision which led towards reaching the goal. He does not. So Mr. Singh is in here been not knowing what is the exact goal of the company, what they exactly want to achieve, and that cannot, and thus cannot make the decision which lead towards the reaching of the goal. See, it has been communicated to him that lowering better quality should be of the quality of the output is the goal. It now appears that the low cost is the goal. He does not know that what goals are, and thus what nahi what see he does not know what the goals are, and thus cannot make the decision. He does not know what the goals are, and thus cannot make the decision for the reaching towards the goal. Second deficiency is influence. First was lack of coordinated goals. Goals are not properly communicated. He was not knowing the goals, so he cannot make the decision. See, if he is not knowing the goal, he cannot make the decisions towards reaching or towards the achievement of the goal. Second, influence of the uncontrollable factor. The actual performance relative to the budget is greatly influenced by the uncontrollable factors, that is rush orders. Thus variance report severe little purpose serves little purpose for the evaluation of the performance. See, whenever the goal is on the verge of completion achievement, they tightens the goal. So at the end it leads to the adverse variance. So there is no use of this what we can say. See, influence of uncontrollable factor. What is influencing? What are the uncontrollable factors influencing? Influences of uncontrollable factors, that is the rush order. That is thus the variance report serve a little purpose. There is no use of the variance report. Report serves a little purpose for the performance measurement, evaluation of the performance, because it was always showing adverse. So the same thing has been given, that is variance reports serve a little purpose, and the uncontrollable factors are like rush order. The actual performance related to the budget is greatly influenced. The actual performance is greatly influenced by the uncontrollable factors. The actual performance is of the budget is greatly influenced by the uncontrollable factors, that is rush order. Thus the actual variance report serves a little purpose for evaluation. So 2 points we have to score. First is lack of coordinated goals. He was not knowing proper goals, so he cannot take the decision which lead towards achieving of the goal. Second, influence of uncontrollable factors. The actual performance relative to the budget is greatly actual performance to the budget is greatly influenced by the uncontrollable factors like rush orders. So the variance report serves a little purpose for evaluation of the performance. Short run perspective, the monthly evaluation of the budget and the budget tightening on the monthly basis result in a very short run perspective. This will result in inappropriate decision. The improvement in the budgetary control system must correct the deficiencies described above. Accordingly, budgetary control system must more clearly define the company's objective. See, what they have given is short run perspective, monthly evaluation, and the budget tightening on the monthly basis result in a very short run perspective. This will result in inappropriate decision. See, if short run perspective is there of the company, then it will lead to inappropriate decision. The improvement in the budgetary control system must correct the deficiencies. The improvement in the budgetary control system must correct the deficiency described above. So all these deficiencies, that is short term perspective, influence by uncontrollable factor, and lack of coordinated goals, influenced by uncontrollable factors, and short term perspective, should these all deficiencies should be corrected accordingly. The budgeting control system must be more clearly define the company's objective. So the solution to that they have given, that is, budgetary control system must be more clearly linked to it. Budgetary control system should be clearly defined the company objective. See, budget should be prepared what the company's objective is. To achievement of that objective, budgets are prepared. So budgetary control system should be define the company's objective, should define the company's objective. Second, budgetary control system must develop an accounting reporting system which better matches controllable factors with the supervisor responsibility and authority, establishes the budget value for the appropriate time period which do not range monthly simply as a result of change in prior month performance. So establish the budget value for the period for the appropriate time period. So it should be for an appropriate time period which do not change monthly simply as a result of change in the prior month performance. The entire company from the top management down must be educated in the sound budgetary procedure so that all the parties will understand the total process and recognizes the benefit to be gained. See, entire organization from top to bottom should be explained of the proper budgetary procedure so that all the parties understand the process and recognizes the benefit. See, if all of them are being educated, all of them are being made understand of this budgetary control process so that they recognizes the benefit so that they will recognize the benefit to be gained. Okay, thanks for watching the video.